day 12. As you notice, there is Claude right over here. Oh, look what you're holding, Claude. You're holding the spritzing bottle. Thank you, Claude. So let's start spritzing. Claude, would you like to move out of the way so you're not getting wet?
Meow.
I hope that's a yes.
Meow.
I take that as a yes. Weird wacky thing happens again. That's enough. Oh, I missed the middle. We want that mushroom to grow good. So I'll stop spritzing and put the lid on. So I'm gonna see you next time for Spritzing the Mushrooms Part 2, Day 12. And if you spot Claude in the next part, I'll be super happy. Bye! Hello! Welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms! Today we're going to be spritzing the mushrooms. As you see, Claude is back again. Duck, why are you sitting on the mushroom lid? Duck, I'm going to move you onto the kettle. I'm going to need to take that off. Ooh. No, I said stick there. Duck. Good duck. Good duck. Duck. Good duck. Claude, would you like to move out of the way? Let's take a quick peek in before I do anything else. So I'm just going to take the lid off. So let's see what's happened so far. Not much has happened. I think more's going to happen tomorrow than today. So if you're wondering why I'm thinking not much has happened, because I cannot see much more except for more of my psyllium in a tiny corner. So let's start spritzing. Please don't turn like last time. It's turned. I'll see you tomorrow in Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms, Day 13. Bye!